Right guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Acer Aspire ES15. This one's running the AMD Radeon R2 graphics card. It's a 4GB direct drive. It's got 4GB RAM, 1000GB hard drive, so a terabyte. It's dual core processor, 1.5 gigahertz, and a very nice machine. Graphics are very nice. We upgraded to Windows 10 today, and after upgrading to Windows 10, much better machine, a lot easier to find everything. Oh, give this a bit of a tip just now. Yeah, nice and sleek, nice design, not as heavy as I was expecting. Keys are nice to press. Nice running machine, good sound. Yeah, excellent picture. Only paid $189.99. Excellent machine. Manufacturer refurbished, and it came brand spanking new. It was a manager's choice. Looks great with the tiles. Nice machine. It's got a DVD rewriter. The touchpad's cool. There's no other buttons on the touchpad, but the bottom corners depress. Really wide touchpad. But yeah, really good system. Definitely a laptop to look out for. Got this one from my daughter. So the terabyte hard drive, so it had plenty of space. Seems to be really user friendly. It's the first time I've even been introduced to Windows 10. But even when the machine's running at its hardest, you don't even hear it. It's silent. Excellent machine, getting about 5-6 hours out of the battery. But yeah, really good system. Yeah, nice machine, super slim. It's got USB 3.0 port, two 2.0 ports, HDMI, everything you need. Good battery time, excellent graphics. It's not doing it much justice, there we go, on this phone, but really rich colours. Yeah, reasonable, £189. Decent laptop. Definitely recommend checking this out. Much bigger upgrade. We had an old Dell Latitude. Started getting a lot of problems, and this thing blows it out the water. But yeah, definitely worth taking a look at. One of the better laptops in the market at the price range. And as I said, this one's been upgraded. It came with Windows 8.1 with a free upgrade to Windows 10. The upgrade took quite a while, took most of the day. But definitely recommend it. Good camera, lots of storage, really fast machine. Daughter wants to follow suit and start making YouTube videos, so this is going to be her apparatus to start. So yeah, I would definitely rate this as a good laptop. Clean design, nice and light, not overly heavy, good plastic on it as well. Don't know, I thought it looked really nice. She's already planning to try and find skins for it. But yeah, Acer Aspire ES15, definitely worth a look. Thanks for checking this out, guys. Bye.